The first batch of Altruist bundles is ready. 2 devices in one kit, an Insight monitor with a CO2 module for indoor use and the Altruist Urban for outdoor monitoring. Urban is typically mounted outside the window, where it matters most to track dust that generally comes from outdoors. This is the first time we've offered such a bundle. Behind it lies a long history of urban monitoring and many iterations. Measuring CO2 outdoors makes little practical sense, but indoors it's the key metric, and measuring it well requires a quality sensor. That's essentially what this video is about. To date, our sensor network already has over 100 active devices. The sensor map is built on decentralized technology. If at least 10 participants gather in your city, you can fork it and deploy your own map on your own domain. The devices support Home Assistant, the most popular open source smart home platform, which is on track to surpass Google Home and Apple Home in real-world usage. The urban enclosure is 3D printed, allowing flexible customization, 3 faceplate emotion options, and a choice of colors. On the technical side, SDS dust sensor. We're convinced it's more reliable and less affected by humidity than the PMS used by Air Gradient and Purple Air. Add a noise sensor, temperature, humidity, and barometer, connectivity via Wi-Fi powered over Type-C, FCC and CE certified. Roughly 4 months of work on documentation with a contractor. The Insight monitor came together last summer when it became clear without CO2 the product would remain niche. Inside, CO2 sensor, temperature, humidity, pressure, and an e-ink display that won't blind you at night. There's also edge lighting that reflects key readings. Data is logged to an SD card. Once connected to the network, the monitor automatically detected Urban, a small but satisfying touch. The goal is to build the most honest and open IoT product on the market. The device shouldn't become a leash tying you to a cloud service. You can regenerate your own keys, change the identity, and operate independently. If you want, join the open air quality data collection effort. If not, you still get an accurate, good-looking, and genuinely transparent tool for your home.